in the kitchen cooking some crispy chicken strips. Now we got like 5 pounds of these boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and you can cut it however you want to cut it, as long as you cut up some strips. You see which way I'm cutting it. I'm cutting it the long way. Now you got to make sure. You see that fat right there? Cut that off. You don't want to cook that. Like I said, you cut it however you want to cut it. But the thing is, you make sure you got some vegetable oil or canola oil, peanut oil, whatever kind of oil, in a pan or a pot on that stove cooking. Now we done cut up all that chicken, but we finna add these ingredients. I'm using some crystal hot sauce as a little binder. It ain't gonna make the chicken spicy, trust me. Follow it up with some black pepper. Sprinkle that over there. You can do it however you want to do it. You can sprinkle however much you want to sprinkle on. It's up to you. We're using some smoked paprika. Gotta have that paprika. Sprinkle it all over it with some ground ginger. That ground ginger gonna add a little twang to it. It's gonna add a little twang. Trust me. Follow that up with some slap yo mama. Not my mama, slap yo mama. Sprinkle that all over it. Now, get your hands all in there and mix it all together. Mix that all in. Get that all mixed in. Get them seasonings all mixed in with that chicken breast. Get that all in there. Now, whatever you put in that chicken, the seasoning, add it to the flour. Season that flour, but don't season it too much. Yes, indeed. Time to add it to that oil. You don't want to overcrowd it. Gonna put a little bit in at a time. We're cooking in batches. Now you want to cook these about 10 minutes, 12 minutes if you want it extra crispy. Make sure you drain all that oil off. Look how crispy that is. Get all that oil off. Look at that. Yes, sir. Get all that oil off. Get that in the doggone bowl. Yes, indeed. Look at it. Now we're going to do this second batch. We got 2 more batches left. No need to show all that, but look at that. They ready. Crispy, succulent chicken strips. Subscribe if you like what you see. It don't cost a fee.